Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time here on my space, you are highly welcome. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is already there, Sophia. Okay, so I'm a lifestyle content creator. Okay guys, so in case you're wondering and this is your first time, I'm sure all my amazing subscribers and those that watch me that is not subscribed, they already know. Okay guys, so let's get into today's vlogmas. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to go and make my hair so you guys can see. Can you guys see my hair? I've taken it out, I've washed it already, so I'm just going to go to the salon now. My favorite place, which you guys know already, Peckham. It's not like as if I live in Peckham, but because I drive, it's easy for me to get there on time. And also I can take some few buses here and there, but I'm going to be driving today anyway. Yeah guys, so let me go and do my Christmas hair. Okay guys, let me go and do Christmas hair so that you guys can see and you guys can tell me how I look. Okay, so today's vlog is going to be making my hair. I'm not sure if I'm going to be showing you guys where I'm making the hair, because you know in the hair salon you have to help the hairstylist. You have to give them the hair when they are making your hair. So sometimes I can't hold my camera and give them hair. Okay guys, yeah, so maybe I might show you guys when I'm done, but if I'm able to show you guys while she's doing the hair, I will. If not, I'll show you when the hair is done. And also I'm going to be doing some little here and there shopping in Peckham, and I'll take you guys along. Let's see what is happening for Christmas in Peckham. I'm sure everywhere should be people buying things, buying food for Christmas. Christmas is few days, weeks away. Okay guys, so let's go because I have an appointment with her. All right, so let's go. I'll catch you guys when I get to Peckham. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair. I'm in the shop. I'm in the DIY shop. I'm looking for something for my lamp. There's this thing that broke in my lamp that I'm looking for. So you guys can see I'm in the DIY shop. I'm looking for the lamp thing. So my hair is done. You guys should let me know what you think about my hair. Does it look pretty? Does my hair look pretty? You guys should let me know. Look at the hair. Does it look pretty? Let me know. What do you think? Okay guys. So I'm here looking. I'm not sure if they have what I'm looking for. I think I have to take my time and come and have a look properly. Yeah. How many you want buy? I want £10 money. It's 3 for £1.20 is there. I want £10 money. This one is nice. Can you put this one? I don't want that one. I want the one you can just cut into two. Yeah, because I want to be able to cut it into two. Okay. Yeah, what do you think? Is it too big to cut it to two? Yeah. Or shall we cut it to three? Into three now. Into three. It's for the Christmas turkey, you know. Yeah, three. Into three. Okay. I don't have enough cash here. Put it on top of this. Put it on top. I not get see see what I want to show you. See this secret fish. See.
How much is it?
£5. I'm not tell you. You think I the line I tell you, look at it. Can you imagine? See this one, they never grind. £5. See the big one. For the small one. But see the big bag. Oh, see. This one, this place is still better. Can you see the one they don't grind for the big one? And the plantain. Yes, guys, I'm just showing my husband. Something. Just try to compare the price of the food. See the big one they don't grind. That's £5. I just trying to show him. Yeah, guys, so I'm in the Africa food shop. Just finished buying turkey wings and some plantain. Okay, so I want to pay now. No, don't worry, I'm not even showing you, it's in my face. It's greeting Baoni. So guys, we are going to the car. My husband is here helping me. He's carrying the shopping and the weather is cold. It's very cold. So we are going home now. We are going to the car. Our parking was still expired. So my husband came to meet me in Peckham. Yeah. So we are going home now, guys. We'll see you when we get home. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm home now. I hope you guys like my Christmas hair. This one, I'm going to bring this one down later. These ones, they can come down. This one can also come down, but I'm going to leave it like this for the daytime. I hope you guys like my new Christmas hair. Please let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me how pretty my face is looking with my new hairstyle. Okay, guys. So I'm home now. We went to the African Tasty. I think I've shown you guys Tasty before. So I went to buy bread, moi. What else did we buy? Puff. And in the meat shop, I'm sure I show you guys what I bought in the meat shop. Just plantain and some turkey wings that I want to use for Christmas. But I'm trying to buy them bit by bit so that the prices will not over too much. Because what normally happens during Christmas is that the meat shop, they tend to increase the price of their meat during Christmas time. So what I do is before that week of Christmas come, I try to buy my meat, turkey, everything, wings. I start buying them bit by bit and put them in my freezer. Okay, guys. So that's what I do. You guys can also try the same method. If not, by the time you go back during Christmas week, this one they sell for me for £10. That is a lot. It will be almost £20. I'm telling you guys, because I've noticed it so many times. So what I do is before the week of Christmas, like 2 weeks to the week of Christmas, I try as much as I can to go and buy all my Christmas meat so that the price does not overwhelm me. Okay, yeah. So the same thing I also do with the rice, because the rice right now is £19 something. If you go there the week of Christmas, man, I might tell you it's 20 something pounds. Okay, so Jiro is back from school. Welcome, Jiro. Say hello to the vlog before I end it. You like my hair? Okay, so these are the gel. This is the gel the lady used. So she put quite a lot of gel there. Alright, guys, so I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. Please don't forget to leave me a comment if you do and tell me what you think about my hair. Alright, guys, I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye, guys.